So, Saemi, can you lead our audience through a short
Yes.
guided practice to help them experience the power of rewiring
Okay.
fear and anxiety in real time?
Yes. So I will present the guided meditation called Reclaiming Your Inner Potential. So if I may, I'd like to lead it and then so you can gently close your eyes. So with this guided meditation, you can infuse new information into the emotional part of your brain, child mind. For this purpose, I will invite you to create the image of yourself being in your body as a little child, as a 6-year-old child self or younger self. So yes, you can gently close your eyes and begin to soften your neck and shoulder. And take gentle, slow breath with each exhale. Allow yourself to relax a little more, melting into inner stillness, breath by breath. And now imagine yourself as a young child, 6 years old, a younger child, and feel yourself inside this small body, so open, so curious, and so vulnerable. And now envision there's something showing up in front of you. This is your adult self, a wiser, more advanced version of you who has walked through many challenges and grown stronger, more capable, and become compassionate. And your adult self kneels before you with kindness in their eyes. They gently lift you up into their arms and then place you on their lap. You feel their long, loving arm wrap around your back and shoulder, softly caressing your head and holding you with deep care. Your future adult self comes to give you an important message. So please listen to what I'm going to say as if these words are directly being spoken to your heart by the loving, grounded presence of adult self. They say, "You're feeling anxious, aren't you? Usually it's when something feels out of control, out of your control, when there isn't enough money, when love feels distant, or when the future feels uncertain. You might be feeling scared or helpless. Maybe you have wanted to cry for a long time, but have kept it inside. You don't know what to do, and it feels like no one's coming to rescue you. I'm so sorry. You've had to carry this all by yourself. I am sorry. I couldn't get here sooner. But I see you now, and I sense the heaviness in your heart. You might be feeling disappointed, helpless, and deeply alone. I'm sorry. I couldn't get here sooner. Please forgive me for leaving you to fight alone for so many years. But I am here now. You are not alone anymore. I came for you. And I'm here to tell you, you no longer have to carry this burden by yourself. From now on, you and I will start to walk in the same direction together. So let's take a slow, deep breath. And let's acknowledge just how far we have come. And in those early years, from being a baby to becoming a toddler, you relied completely on others to survive. And somewhere along the way, you started to believe that you couldn't manage on your own. Life felt easier when someone else carried the weight for you. Because you were a little child. But when your primary caregiver, perhaps your mommy, stopped attending to your needs in the same way you were a baby, you felt frustrated, abandoned, or betrayed. And deep inside, you cried out, "Why do I have to do everything by myself now? What did I do wrong to deserve this?" And from that pain, you began to blame your parent, primary caregiver, and quietly resent the world. I understand that made it hard to take full responsibility for building comfort and sense of stability for yourself. And you've been tired of waiting, tired of hoping someone would make it better. But it's time now. Time to stop giving your power away. Let's begin calling your strength back into your body, your sacred temple. Because when you live from your own will, you awaken your courage, your curiosity, and your resilience. You begin to think for yourself, choose for yourself, and take actions aligned with the life you truly desire. And step by step, you begin to rise above fear and anxiety. And you begin to experience what it truly means to live a fulfilling life using your own abilities. When you stop resenting and blaming others for not meeting our emotional needs, we stop projecting aggression onto the world. That's when we begin to regain our creative power and start attracting people who are more conscious, kind, and more willing to grow with us. Don't worry, you haven't missed your chance yet. It's not too late. There's so much strength inside you, waiting to be recognized. You and I are one, and we start to walk in the same direction together. And know this, you are never alone. I, your future adult self, am always within you, listening, guiding, comforting, and believing in you. If you ever doubt yourself, you will always come to me. I will remind you, you are enough. You do matter. You are fully equipped to turn your life around. You can do this. You are ready. Mistakes don't mean failure. They mean you are learning and growing. When you fail, I will catch you. So don't worry. So move forward with your best effort, trusting in your strength and your potential. I thank you for holding on for so long, for fighting so hard. And now it's time that you can rest whenever you want. No need to fight anymore. You are safe with me. You are safe with me. And it's okay to be happy now. You are protected, loved, and guided by your adult self, who is here and who loves you very much. So now take a slow, deep breath and let these words settle into your heart. Take another deep breath in and breathe out slowly. And when you feel ready, you may gently open your eyes. You can continue to practice meditation before bedtime daily for the next maybe 3 weeks or even a couple of weeks. You will begin to feel a quiet shift taking place within you. Your relationship with anxiety will begin to soften and dissipate. And also, you will start to feel more grounded in your body, more aware of your emotions, and more connection to the quiet strength that has already been within you, just waiting to be recognized and acknowledged by you. So,
That was awesome.
thank you for listening.
So, Saemi, thank you for everything you've shared today. And for those in our audience who would like to find out more about you and your work, where can they go?
Yes, so you can go to my website. You can find in this summit my saeminakamura.com, and I offer private sessions and child mind transformation work mini courses available for purchase. And also you can go to YouTube videos, Saemi Nakamura channel, that's to see other guided meditations and all based on fractal psychology's child mind work. So you can enjoy watching those videos too. Thank you.
So, to close, is there a final message you'd like to leave with the viewers, something you hope they'll take away from the conversation?
Okay, so through this process of elevating or expanding perspective, elevating awareness, we shift from being passive observers of life or victims of circumstances and to becoming conscious creators of our own reality. And then life is no longer something that just happens to us or something controlled by fate, and our own life controlled by fate or luck, no more. We begin to awaken to our inner potential as the architects of our experience and the creators of reality, generating reality from the inside out. So this is the path we are meant to walk. And I'm here to support everybody who is ready to take the steps and towards this path way with me. So thank you.
Thank you. And again, thank you again for participating in the summit.
Thank you again for having me here.